Hand me your rod. Right over my head. Alright, come on. There you go. I got you, line. You got it? Yeah. You take up the slack. Put me in gear, Mitch. Put me in gear.
Watch out, Earl. Wow. Dang it, boy.
Unreal.
The hook just fucking fell out.
No way.
Yep.
Look at that thing.
Y'all sit down right here. Look at the remora that just fell off of him. Alright, put that rod down. Y'all sit down right there.
Holy shit.
Come on, we gotta get him back in the water.
Yeah. Oh shit, look at that.
Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm getting video. I'm not getting pictures. I'm sorry.
Okay, Hector. Holy smokes.